Welcome again. And this is my new project, ticket booking system, means train ticket booking system. And I have developed this project in Python and the Django and the MySQL. The version I am using in the Python is the Python 2.7, and the MySQL version is 5.6, and the Django version is Django 1.11. And for connecting the database, I'm using the MySQL Django connector, which we will get easily from the mysql.org website, and it's open source. So this for front-end technology, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery I have added for form validations and data plug integrations. Right, this is not a bootstrap theme. This is a simple theme which is written in the normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so let's start with the functionality. So this is the homepage of the project. One more thing I want to show you, say you that this is the mini project. It's not a major project with only 2 to 3 modules. That is the login module, dashboard module, and the ticket booking module. Right. So let's start with the functionality. So this is the homepage of the project. This is the static page, and if you want to change the page content, then you can do directly it from HTML page. This is the about us project, about of the project, and this is also a static page. And if you want to change the content, then you can do it from the HTML directly. This is the contact us frame, and I'm not saving the data of this contact us anywhere in the database. So these 3 pages are totally static. That is the home, about, and contact us. I'm not saving and rendering the data of these 3 pages anywhere from the database. This is the admin login, and this is a totally dynamic page, and the credentials are getting verified from the database. So if you enter the wrong credential, then you will not be able to log in, right? So I am entering the correct credential, that is the admin and test. So if I click on admin and test, then I will get the dashboard, that is the book ticket, booking report, and change password. So you can see the above menu has been changed, right? So it's a totally session driven menu, and if you log out from the system, the above menu is different, and if you log in inside of the system, the above menu will be different, right? So this is the add ticket, dashboard, and ticket report. So I'm going to book a ticket. So this is the passenger name. Suppose I'm entering the data, some mobile number from city Delhi, Mumbai, and train number, something like that. Train name Mumbai Express, right? And this is a date. This is the data also, and the total number of passengers free, and total number of near about 3600. So what I'm doing, that I'm entering the data and submitting the information, and that data will be saved into the database. So you can see this is the data, and if you edit it, then you will get all the informations, right? If you want to delete the record, then you can delete it from here also, and that record will be deleted successfully. So this is the add ticket form, this is the dashboard, this is the add ticket, and this is the ticket report. So all the ticket which has been saved into the database will be rendered here, right? So currently there are 7 tickets available. So if you want to add more, then you can book the ticket, and those all book ticket will be reflected here. Also, I want to show you that this is a totally data table, and you can check the number of records from here, that how many records it need to be displayed. And if if the record is more than that record, then the pagination will be here, right? Okay. Also, each and every column has the sorting feature. So if you click on the column, then all the record will be sorted out. And if you want to search the record, then you can search the record from here also, just like a, and it's on the runtime, right? So you can see the record for Jitu is uh, is rendered, right? And if you delete the record, and if you enter another value, then it will be displayed. And if you want to search any of the thing, then all the record will be displayed here, right? You can edit it from here, and you can update the details from here also, right? So this is all about the ticket booking system, and this is a mini project which I have done within Python, Django, and MySQL. So if you need more feature in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes according to our requirements and features list. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest video updates on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.